Well, good afternoon. Today we're going to make popcorn on a boat. So, first of all, I'm out in the cockpit of my boat today because it's too hot for cooking in the cabin. So I've got the stove out in the cockpit, and that's where I'm going to make my popcorn. Okay, so I am going to take my pot and I'm going to put some oil in it. Do that away from the flame. Okay, so just a little bit of vegetable oil in the bottom of the pot. Better put the temperature control on that stove. Okay, so heating up the oil, take popcorn, just regular popping corns. Okay, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of that in. Goes in 1, 2, a little bit more for good measure. Pot holder, lid, and just shake it while they cook. Yeah, I don't know if that's been about 5 minutes maybe. You can hear them starting to pop in there. Okay, should do it. Turn the stove off. Okay, there we have it. That's popcorn. Okay, just regular, plain old popcorn. I like to toss in a little bit of salt. This isn't like, the microwave popcorn or some of the commercially available stuff that already have a lot of salt, so just a little bit. And that is how you make popcorn on a boat. It's good too.